Everyone, how are you? Fine. Now you will go for how we will design a race, right? Scratch race in Junior. We'll click on Scratch Junior, open it. After opening, we will go for the new project. New project, we'll delete this side and we'll go for the new one. New one, we click here the first and the second, and after that the third one. Okay, the third one for the rabbit. Okay, right here. Now first when you click here the zebra, you go for this one, and after that it will be in speed fast. How many steps it will go? Or 20 step. After finishing, jump for 5 times and end. Okay. Second one is dog. Click here, drag. One for fast, second fast, slower than the first one, and also 20 step and stop. Okay, now the third one, rabbit, will go there. First we will drag from here. Okay, it will be slow, and we will click here for 20 also, and after 20 drag here. Okay, we will change that one, background of that, any background which you want. Click on it, right? You click that. Now you will see when you click on this green flag, okay, we will reduce. Okay, step only 10, second step will be 10, and that one zebra also step will be 10. Now let's see when you click here. Okay, again, yes, no. Okay, I made this game. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care. Say subscribe my channel, and also click on bell icon. You will be receive the new videos.